My name is Avanti, working in Government Degree College, Murtad. Then today our topic is regression analysis. We have to calculate two regression equations on x on y. One of the equation x on y. The second one is y on x. Then let us start the problem. The x value is x is equal to 2.5. The y value is 3. Both values are used to find out the two regression equations. The first one, let us see the question. The x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the y values is 2, 4, 7, 6, 5, 6, 5. Let us watch the formula. YC is equal to, let us see here, number 1, x on y regression equation. YC is equal to a plus bx. Sigma y is equal to na plus bxy is one of first equation on x on y. Then sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square is second equations, right ma? So first of all we have to calculate x square and y square and xy, right? X square is calculate x into x, then 1 into 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16, 5 into 5 25, 6 into 6 36, 7 into 7 49. Then the y values are 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 16, 7 into 7 49, 6 into 6 36, 5 into 5 25, 6 into 6 36, 5 into 5 25. Then the x and y values are 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 2 into 4 is equal to 8, 3 into 7 is equal to 21, 4 into 6 is equal to 24, 5 into 5 is equal to 25, 6 into 6 is equal to 36, 7 into 5 is equal to 35. The total are all these items. So first of all we have to calculate the total of items is equal to x. The x total of items is equal to 28, and then total of y items is equal to 35. Then total of x square items is equal to 140. Then total of y square amount is equal to 191. Then total of xy values are 151. Right ma? Then the n value is number of items. We have to take number of items is equal to n. It shows on n. So the number of items is equal to 7. Right ma? So first of all we have to calculate 11 is equal to 28b is equal, first of all we have to watch in number 1. The formula of yc is equal to a plus bx. Sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x. Then sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. Apply the values on two equations. Right ma? Then sigma y is equal to 35 is equal to n is equal to 7, a plus 28 b. The b value is 28 plus 28 into b. Then next one, the sigma xy and not sigma xy is equal to 151 is equal to 28a plus 140b. Okay, multiply equations 1 into 4. The fourth 1 into 4. The equation 1 into 4. 35 is equal to 7a plus 28b into 4. 140, 35 into 4 and 140 is equal to 7 into 4 is equal to 28a plus 28 into 4 into 112b. Subtract equation number 2 on equation number 3. So we have to write equation number 2 first of all. 151 is equal to 28a plus 140b. Then we have to calculate number third one. The both are subtracting. 140 is equal to 28a plus 112b. Subtracted 11 is equal to 0 minus 28b. Right ma? When we have to calculate the when the b value is calculated, 11 is equal to 28b. So b is equal to separate them 11 divided by 28. So we have to divide it by 11 divided by 28. The b value is 0.39. Apply the b value is 0.39 on equation number 1. The equation number 1 is equal to 35 is equal to 7a plus 28b into 0.39. It is the b value. So 35 is equal to 7a plus 7a plus 10.92. 35 minus 10.92 is equal to 7a. 24.08 is equal to, we have to 35 minus 10.92. The answer is 24.08 is equal to 7a. 24.08 divided by 7, it separates 8. It's called cross multiplication. Cross multiplication in a. That is the 24.08 divided by 7 is equal to a. The a value is 3.44. Right, ma? The next one is apply the a and b values on x on y equation. Y is equal to a plus bx. So y is equal to, the a value is 3.44 plus b value is 0.39x. This is the complete x on y equation. Right, ma? Let us. We have to go on y on x regression equation. So the formula is xc is equal to a plus by. Right? When we find out the a comma b values, we can easily find out the equations. First of all, the formulas are sigma x is equal to na plus bxy. Then sigma xy is equal to a sigma y plus b sigma y square. Apply the values in both equations. Then sigma x is equal to na plus by. The x value is 28 is equal to n is equal to 7 and the y value is 35. So first of all we have to calculate the first equation. 28 is equal to 7a plus 35b, and the second one is sigma xy is equal to a sigma y plus b sigma y square. So sigma xy is equal to 151 plus a sigma y means 35 plus sigma y square is equal to 191. So 191b. Right, the second equation is also completed. We have to multiply the equation number 1 in 5. So 140 is equal to 35a plus 175b. How it is? 28 is equal to 7a plus 35b, the whole into 5. 5 into 28 is equal to 5 into 7a plus 5 into 35b. So we have to when we have to multiply the equation number 1, 140 is equal to 35a plus 175b. This is called third equation. Subtract the equation 2 on 3. Right? So the second equation or 151 is equal to 35a plus 191b. Right, Amma? Then third one, when we have to subtract them 1 and newly, we have to subtract the 140 is equal to 35a plus 175b. The answer will become on 11 is equal to 16b. So again we have to cross multiply the 16 into b. So when we have to cross multiply the 16 into b, then 16 goes out on 11 divided by 16. So b is equal to 11 divided by 16. The answer is 0.69. Right, ma? Then we have to next we have to choose on fourth one. Apply the b value in equation number 1. Apply the b value in equation number 1. So 28 is equal to 7a plus 35 into 0.69. 28 is equal to 7a plus 24.15. The 28 minus 24.15 is equal to 7a. We have to again cross multiplication in the a is equal to 3.85 divided by 7. The 3.85 is equal to ela vachindi ante 28 minus 24.15 divided by 7 is equal to 0.55. X on y regression equation. A is equal to 0.55. The value of regression's formula xc is equal to a plus by. Then x is equal to, the a value is 0.55, the b value is 0.69. Right? X is equal to 0.55 plus 0.69y. The x is equal to 2.5, y is equal to 3.44 plus 0.39 into 2.5. The calculation of 3.44 plus 0.975, the y value is 4.415. Right, Amma? Then let us go to the fifth step. Y is equal to 3, x is equal to 0.55 into 0.69 into 3. the x value is x is equal to 0.55 in plus 2.07. The x value is 2.62. These are x and y values. These are x and y values. Today we have to calculate the both regression equations. First of all, we have to know what it is the regression equations x on y and y on x. So first we have to note it. Then these are the class. Tomorrow class will be continued on regression analysis. Another problem. See, right, ma? Stay safe, stay home, stay safe, safe learning. Good day. Bye, ma.